and welcome back to another list vid. My name is Angela. I will be your host, and I hope that you enjoy. While searching for some new ideas to upcycle old jeans, I ran across these fantastic ideas from the creative folks at Pinterest. There are some really great ideas in this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below, and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. Use the leg pieces of an old pair of jeans to create the body of the purse. Finish with 4 rows of pleated strips at the bottom. Cut the cuff off of a denim jacket. Embellish it with beads. Last, button the cuff to put it on as a bracelet. Cut the cuff off of a denim jacket and embellish it with belt loops, ribbons, and flowers. Cut strips of jeans up that are about 1 inch thick. Braid all the strips together. While braiding the strips, start with a 5-inch strip of braided denim. Sew the braid together to make an oval shape. Continue going around until you get the size you want. Either get an iron-on applique or freehand these beautiful flowers onto the jeans. Cut your jeans off a few inches below the crotch area of the inseam. Use a long piece of lace to finish making the bottom of the pants. Cut holes at the bottom of your jeans. Use permanent fabric adhesive to go around the edges to keep the denim from fraying. Sew pearls or other embellishments onto the areas between the holes to finish the look. Cut your jeans off just below the zipper. Sew your favorite fabric onto the jeans to make a skirt. Cut a pair of jeans off just below the zipper. Gather and attach a nice light fabric to make the skirt. Use a few pairs of jeans to make this purse. Cut strips of denim and weave them together as shown in the picture. Using several pairs of jeans, make this large patchwork bedspread and pillows. Use the sides of a pair of jeans to make these unique pot holders. As we've done before, cut a pair of jeans just below the zipper. Gather some nice fabric to use as a skirt. Gather the piece you cut for the skirt and sew together. Use the side top part of a pair of jeans for this styling book cover. We're not done yet, but I'd like to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. And a thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue making videos. While searching for some new ideas to upcycle trash, I ran across these fantastic ideas to upcycle old jeans from the creative folks at Pinterest. There are some really beautiful ideas in this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. To create this look, first separate your pants down both sides, including the waistband. Hem all raw edges. Next, add some extra denim to the top of the pants. Place grommets down both pant legs on each side that was separated. To finish, lace up your pants from top to bottom. For this project, you will need some stencils or be really good at freehanding. Use acrylic paint to add the flower design to the jeans. Cut your jeans off about 4 inches from the bottom of your back pocket. Add any kind of lacy fabric you wish to remake the pant legs. Cut a long rectangle out of your pants on each side. Then place bead strands and chains on both sides of the pant leg that you're working on, and then repeat with the other side. Cut the legs off at the knee. Then add pleated fabric over the front and side areas of the legs, leaving the denim to show on the inside of the pant leg. Be sure to reattach the pant legs to the pants. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video, and if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. And a thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue to make videos. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.